Okay, ready for tip-off. It's a do-or-die match. The rematch sa championship. Oy! First possession, Kabigas. Kaiser. To RJ Gabinete. Eagle pass to Kabigas. Shot lock down to Bitin. Oy! Deflected. Karabo pa rin Kabigas. Kabigas nilaglag ni RJ Gabinete. First basket. And the bowling. Courtesy of RJ Gabinete. Mr. Ripe, Tumalabayamas. Malabayamas from downtown. Knocks it down, 2 points lang daw. Sabi niyo rep. Nakatabak. RJ Gabinete, cross to pass. Libre. Sartani. It's good. Sartani to win. Had 2 hours totally. Bounce back. Too strong. Ang one classic, dalawang loose ball. To Sartani, back to Blase. Back to Sartani. Sartani now looking. Kabigas, 8 seconds, shot up. Nice, good play up. RJ Gabinete, score. Score natin, 7-2. It's a 5-point lead. Ripe cross court, inside, Malabayamas, take pass. Malabayamas, he goes up, that's good. 7-4 score is RJ Gabinete. Gabinete now, inside to Blase, deflected. Nahuli, pwede ko Blase, Blase, finger roll, that's good. Score natin, 9-4. Rodriguez, runner, no! Wala ba balik sa upunan ng Kaiser. 5 minutes and 11 seconds sa ating unang period. This is RJ Gabinete. Cross-court pass. Sartani na naman. This time, bitinan ng 3 points. Wala ba yamas kinuha ang loose ball? Itong ball. Ripe. Inside. Nice pass. Patungo ng Rodriguez. Para play kay Malabayamas. Patungo ng Rodriguez. Score. 9-6. Kabigas. RJ Gabinete from way downtown. He gets it to you. Gabinete to win. Mr. Ripe. Lumubos sa anim malamang. Rodriguez. Okay. Sa corner. Bunbun. Malabayamas. Pinalik ni Bunbun. Bunbun. Pa-power move. Ayaw siya pa rin. Second serving. It's good. Grabe ni Bunbun. Tira na. Rebound niya. Is RJ Gabinete now. Baba lamang sa 4 na puntos. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Inside. Kabigas kick out. Corner. Dakata. It's good. Dakata to win. Kulang ang press sa Kaiser. Ano gagawin ni Maribe? Babawin na lang 3-point shot. Napakarami 3 points si Maribe. Sa final, 10 seconds si shot up. Sa final, 5 seconds. Oy, first shot. Pero punto na naman. Off the glass, malakas. Gabinete, ginawang rebound. Is RJ. 3 minutes and 30, crossover against Maribe. Corner naman, Takata. Another one, no? Kapos na din stand. Dari beyond the round, tumagod ay deflected yung pasa. Gabinete, covered siya doon ni Malabayamas. To Sartani, cross-court, Kabigas, touch pass. Nagkanta baseline. Nagkanta out of the glass. No, pero may foul. Who's foul ulit? 5 seconds. Kick out, Sartani. No! Pag-review mo na rebound. Pag-review ka sa defense. Na-foul siya doon to stop the pass break play. Oh, that's good. First throw, yes. Isa pa? Two for two para kay Ripe. 2 minutes and 54. Shot clock. Down to 17. Oy, nice pass pero hindi. Oy, malapad pala yun. Oy, nakaplay! Walang tanga si Bonbon. He's gone. Baba, naka 4 points sila doon. Baba naman sa tatlo. 15 foul. Gabinete now. Hindi ng screen. Gabinete, 10 seconds. Shot clock. Gabinete, runner, let's go! 17 foul. It is Rodriguez. Rodriguez, nakasundod na siya nagkabigas doon. Pero bola man ang TV pa rin. Huwag na nakaplay ba ulit. Ito si Bonbon. Cross-court pass. Rodriguez from downtown. Gabinete grabs the rebound. Forward pass to Daganta. He's gone. Daganta score. Malabayabas babawi. Bounce pass to sa kanyang utol. Malabayabas corner jumper. No. Pesa rebound. Malabayabas he goes up. He bangs it in. And the foul. Fouls si jersey number 77. Sartani. Ay, Kabigas runner. Kabigas. Santos 19-14. 1 minute and 58 seconds. Only shot too strong. RJ ginawang rebound. 1 minute and 53 seconds. Kabinete. Inside to Blase. Pumuposte. Blase against Malabayabas. Loses the ball. Karibe on the run. Karibe na Bonbon. Bonbon! Ginamit ang katawan. Di na pumasok. Si Karibe. Jumper. Let's go. Nabasa tatlong labang. 19-16. 1 minute and 30. Gabinete now. Ang gagawin niya. Shot clock. Down to Tepa. Way downtown. No! Sabi na blue doon. Pero si Daganta off the glass. Oh, yes sir! Daganta in the right time in the right place. Uy, naman si Rodriguez sa corner. Jumper! Bakas. Blase, ginawang rebound to Daganta. Skip the defense. Daganta now. The slasher. Daganta pick. He goes up. That's good! Back-to-back basket shot para kay Daganta. Natakalabangan ng mga sapito. 54 seconds. The lead is back up to 7. Karibe. Step back. Cross-court. Malabayabas. Nilabas. Malabayabas from downtown. No. Pesa rebound. Muli. Ano? Block. Sartani. Here's RJ. Gabinete now. Gabinete on the move against Malabayabas. May pumoste. RJ Gabinete ulit. Pumoste. Covered yun doon. Pero may foul. It's 25 seconds. First throw. It's good. 25 seconds. The lead is back up to 8. 24-16. No, that's 24 seconds. Kalibuan na magbuhan ang move by Karibe. Hindi na nakapag palo pa yung kanya. That's 5 seconds. Daganta. Ay, nice play. The end of first quarter, 26-16. Ay, Ariscado! Nakuha agad ang phone si Ariscado doon. There's number 12 foul di Blase. First turn na Ariscado, yes! Naisahan niya si Blase doon. Second throw na Ariscado. Two for two para Ariscado. Point. Here's RJ Gabinete. Take inside to Blase. Blase on the move. Double team siya doon. Kick out. Gabinete lapas. Kabigas. What a play. What a find by RJ. Patulong kay Sartani. Denzel inside. Ariscado. Score again. Nakapasok na ni Ariscado. 2 puntos agad. Nabauli sa 8 lamang. Inside, Daganta naman. Babawi naman. Perfect Miss Trinidad, cross court to Idrina. Sa baseline. Ikaw, pass ni Idrina. Sniper naman ang Kaiser. No. Dancing kinuha loose ball. Dancing on the run. Dancing! Gets away now! Dancing grabs the rebound. Power pass to RJ Gabinete. RJ, baseline. Put jumper. No! Idrina kinuha loose ball. To RJ. Gabinete now. Back to Idrina. Ay! Traveling. Dancing. Ay! Idrina na sniper to make hot miss from downtown. This time, di pumasok ko. Grabe Sertani yung rebound. RJ Gabinete naman doon. Transition. RJ, iniwan kay Idrina. Pinalik-ulit kay RJ. Fake baseline. Ay, traveling rin. Back-to-back turnover para sa unahan ng Kaiser. 30-25 inside Ariscado against RJ Gabinete. Ariscado, nice find. Balik naman, no! Sertani na naman grabs the rebound. Idrina. Sertani, cross-court pass. Uy, deflected yung Braza pero mananatili pa rin. Idrina, 10 seconds. Gabinete fakes. Gabinete. Cross-court. Libre, Trinidad, the sniper, no! Ay, grabe naman yung rebound ng Plaza, no! Ay, nakakas yung Rodriguez doon. Pero Trinidad, fake. Kick out, Kabigas. Ay, miscommunication. Between Trinidad and Kabigas. Bola babalik sa SJP. 5. Hindi na gumalaw. Dancil, looking. Tuwag miss. Rodriguez, cross-court pass. Dancil. Corner grip, Antirama! Let's go! Big shot, the lead is down to 2. Kabigas, babawiin, response naman. Di pumasok, Rodriguez. With a rebound, forward pass to Dancil for the tie. Dancil, no! Dancil Ariscado. Ariscado now. 10 seconds of shot clock. 8 seconds. Dancil, pick up, at this for the lead! No! Rebound, Kabigas, to RJ Gabinete on the run. Gabinete, ito. Gabinete, all the way, no! Hindi pumasok. Ito si Ariscado. Ariscado, bumangka! Wait a minute, traveling. Na-stack up siya doon, no defense. 38, cross pa, libre. RJ Gabinete! Rodriguez na naman, nakakaraming rebound na. Rodriguez, tumalog yung rama. Cross-court, Dancil sa corner. Nag-hesitate, fake baseline. Nasubukan siya. Sino sa Ariscado sa kabila. Napaganda ba? For the tie. He ties the game. Good deal. Lase. Pagla na po tayo. Idrina now. 10 seconds sa shot clock. Pagla na po. Kabigas. Wala po. Sober. Kabigas po. Wala bomb. Bali-balian naman sa Kaiser. Dancil. Dancil now. Jumper now. Polar pass. Malakas yan. 8 seconds. Anong gagawin ni Almis? Almis. Ariscado. Shot clock down to 16. Almis now. Cross court. Dancil. Corner. Baseline. Stop. Jumper. Put it down. No. Pressure rebound. Ariscado. No. Ano sila doon? No. Naman nakakatili sa SJP. Third play. Rodriguez looking. The shot clock. Rodriguez looking. Ariscado. Almis. 5 seconds. Almis. For the tie. Almis. No. Good bounce out by Kabigas. Kabigas now. Trinidad. Back to Kabigas. Cross court. Daganta. Cross court pass. Deep right. Trinidad sa corner. Great. The sniper. He knocks it down. The lead is back up to 5. 1 minute and 20. Rodriguez now against Atlanta. Rodriguez sa attack. Ingay depensa doon. Rodriguez sa Atlanta. Wala bomb. Pero di pumasok. Ariscado. 1 minute. Kabigas, cross-court pass. Oy, sartahan from way downtown, no! Ball babalik sa SJP. 2 seconds, Dansil. The pass, Aristado, elbow jumper, no! Kami na yung box of the himig Kabigas. That's 27 seconds. RJ, back to the ball game. Gabinete against Dansil. Shot knock down to 14. Kabigas, take. Is a miss. Kabigas, 10 seconds. Na-sandwich. Barkata from downtown. No! Ay, tapik niya Rodriguez na punta ka Trinidad. 50 seconds corner. Kabigas, speed out. Last 10. Oh, nice pass. Arriscado Peggy goes up. Yes. 5 seconds. The end of second quarter, 35-32. Tatlo ang bola ba? Inside, Blase against Rodriguez. Ay! Nice defense by Tanrique. Watch my pass, Malabayabas. To Tanrique. Raise up and in. And the lead is down to 1. Opahayag 10 points kanina. Isa na lang. Barkata from downtown. He knocks it down. Binalik na Barkata na masabak. Tanrique. Tumalabayabas. Inside. Arriscado. Shot lock down to 11. Tanrique. Babawi. Response. Tanrique. Punch it in. Tanrique. Babawi niya naman sa isa. Cross-court. Ano naman? Sartahan naman. Ibubasok. Abimala naman sa rebound. Rodriguez. Nubunbon. For the lead. Ibigay sa poste. Si RJ. RJ Gabinete inside. Kapit ito na move. Gets the basket. And the foul. Foul sa jersey number 26. Arriscado. Pinostean siya ni Gabinete doon. Bolo shot. Yes, complete the 3-point play. It's Tanrique now. Humingi ng swing. Tanrique. Pipitaw na naman. Ay! Deflected down. Anticipate ni Blasi. Pasa na yun. Ngayon na kita sa si Bunbun. Malabayabas. From downtown. Malabayabas. Ay! Oh! Bunbun. Wala tipin. Sabi yung tipin na ni Bunbun. Lumilipad. Babauli sa dalawang na ba? 41-39. Here's Sartani inside. RJ, Gabinete, lapasa. Deflected naman yung lapas. Tumatawang yun sa Malabayabas. Malabayabas. May foul. Jersey number 45, Sartani Sabrat. Arriscado ang Malabayabas eh. Trinidad. Kabigas, coming in. Lalamang na ba o tatablang SJP? Malabayabas Yuki to Tanrique. Tanrique now. Uminginis ka. Tanrique for the lead. Tanrique! No! Malabayabas sa offensive rebound. Put back, yes! He ties the game. 41-all. Up na po ang ating labanan. Blasi now. Looking. Cross-court pass to Kabigas. From way downtown. Whoa! Malabayabas grabs the rebound. May pagkakataon na ang kuhain ng SCB naman. Malabayabas baseline. Malabayabas. Kick out. Boom boom. Take pass. Tanrique. Take. Shot knock down to 11. Tanrique for the lead. Hey! Knocks it down. Tanrique. Labang na ang SJP. 24-41. 20 seconds shot knock ng Kaiser. 10 seconds inside. Sartani! No, pero may foul. Mismatch. Foul sa Bunbun doon. Sa pagkakataon na yun. 2 team fouls. 44-41. 3-point lead para sa SJP. Naago na lang naman. Uy! Bigtin naman ang unang free throw ni Sartani. Nagbaliktad na ang momentum. Nakuha na ng SJP ang kalamangan. Pero binawasan ni Sartani naman sa dalawa. 44-42. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. It is Taripinaw. Uy, Taripinaw! Ito na buwag. Libre siya. Taripinaw! Pagpapayaran niya yan! Walang depensa. Itinang katalaga niya. 47-42. 5-point lead. RJ. Gabinete. Drive. Gabinete. Pangsirin. Malakas. Blasep ay sa riban. Igosap. Buta ka siya doon. Walang defense pa. Malabayabas. Taripay sa ligay. Bonbon. Bonbon now. Skip the defense. Bonbon. Diretso. All the way. Oh, let's have it in. The lead is back up to 7. Ang labang ng SJP. Naganta. From way downtown. Naganta. Pamatay sunog naman yun. Naganta from downtown. Binabaan niya naman sa 4. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. It is Taripinaw. Rodriguez naman sa corner. Rodriguez! He knocks it down. 3 minutes. Mainit ang SJP dito. Kabinete lang ito po. Kabinete gets away. No! Abis Bonbon naman. Ito na si Bonbon naman. Bonbon naman. Bonbon dinagdag ko pa naman. Panabayabas. Ay, bitin. Ito na si Tagata. Kaiserman. Libre si Blase. Blase. He's gone. Blase's goal. 47-52. Baba naman sa 5 puntos. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. There is Taripinaw. 10 seconds of shot clock. Taripe. From way down to ay, push yun. Back to Daganta. Daganta na. Nakita ang buwang. Taripe sa Daganta. Gets the basket. And the foul. Foul si George number 3. Mga may ay sunog. 13 foul na yan. Uy, too strong lang. May na-bonus shot. Baba sa tatlo naman. 49-52. 5 straight. Ay! Bigla mo nila si Rodriguez. Rodriguez is telling it. Rodriguez from downtown. Splash. 2 minutes. Balik ka naman sa 6 na puntos. Sartani now. Pupustin dalawa doon. 10 seconds sa shot clock. Gabinete. Gabinete. Baseline. Uwan na move. Grabe naman yun. Top shot. Para kay RJ Gabinete. 1 minute and 28. Nabasa pa na naman. Wala mayabas. Shot clock down to 10. Step back 3. Wala mayabas. Oh, ito po isang down. Ang tapon. 1 minute, 22 seconds. Isa season battle na lang. Bawi-bawi lang ang shot. Oh, the foul. Ay, RJ, puposte. Gabinete, miss mo na bayabas. Gabinete, loses the ball. Oh, pero may foul. Penalty na yan. Wala bayabas, jersey number 3. Fourth lead. Para sa ugunan ng SJP. RJ Gabinete. First throw ni RJ, it's good. Last throw ni RJ Gabinete. Two for two. Wala bayabas. It's 1 minute. Ay, piling it, Rodriguez. Ay, di-start tapos na. Pero inabot naman ang bayabas. Bumalik-balik ka Rodriguez. 10 seconds sa shot na. Rodriguez naman ang pumos. Tingin. Rodriguez. Tibundong 5 seconds. Bundong. Ay, no. Rodriguez offensive rebound. Rodriguez piling it. Ayaw. Sartani 42 seconds. Follow pass. Dagata. He's gone. With a layup. The lead is down to 2. 35 seconds. 30. Crossover. Shot clock 13. 10 seconds. 27. Rodriguez against Blasi. Habulin yung defense ni Blasi doon. Scoop play up. Nakakuha siya ng foul doon. Final. Rodriguez to the line. First throw na Rodriguez. Yes. Labang ulit ang SJP. Last throw. In and out. Blasi grabs the rebound. To RJ. Pinete now. Libre. Sartani for the lead. Ay, kapos. Talripe with a rebound. Talripe gonna hesitate. Talripe. Ganda ng trap pa siya. Rodriguez. What a play. But Talripe. Patumudon kay Rodriguez. And the ladies stack up to 3. 60-57. Naganda na. Cross-court pass. Isa pa. Sabi sa mga pero distan. Binigyan na natin ng that corner 3! He ties the game again! 60 all! Parehas na senior citizen, 60 all! Here's Taripe now, winging the screen. Taripe, buhay-bay, 10 seconds. Looking, 5 seconds on the shot. Rodriguez, desperation shot. No! Ball back to Kaiser. Here's Tuganta. Puposte si RJ doon. Gabinet inside. Here's RJ against Ariscado. Shot clock. Down to good. Oy, ang cut ni Tuganta. Binalik-uling ka RJ. Oy, anticipate yung pasa. Pass Rodriguez. Against Sartani. Rodriguez. Oh, no! Yun na nga. Si Taripe. Foul. Jersey number. Si Jed Rodriguez. 2 free throws para kay Taripe. 60 all. Pasok pa pangalawa, 61-60. There's RJ Gabinete now. 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Gabinete against Dancil. Cross-court pass to Trinidad. Oh, there's a foul. Daganda from way down. No. Gabinete defensive rebound from back. It's good. Labang daw na yung kumanan ng Kaiser. 61. 6 minutes. Taripe, 10 seconds. Rodriguez, it's telling it. Rodriguez, he gets it to go. With a 3-point shot. Binalik na naman sa nila. 64-62. Sandali cross-court pass to RJ. 10 seconds of shot na. RJ, nice pass. Nagkata naman ang cut ni Sandali doon. He ties the game again. Naman tayo Rodriguez pass. Rodriguez naman. Tabla po ating score, 64 all. Ang sabi nyo eh. Here's Tuganta. Inside eye, deflected ni Manzilian. Manzilian, the back ball in one situation. Rodriguez, nice hand up to Taripe. What a pass by Rodriguez. 66-64. 5 minutes and 6 seconds na mangluli ang unang SJP. Cross-court pass, Gabinete, pagtatan! Blasi, pressing rebound, put back, it's good! Tapla na naman ulit tayo, 66 all. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Rodriguez from way downtown, pinali, di na na. Uy, sipag talaga yung Brazil, pero hindi na naman na bola. Here's Gabinete. Double team, Gabinete na sandwich. Trinidad. Dr. RJ, baseline, aliw, malakas na. Our score, 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Sartani to Blase. Shot clock down to 8. Blase, lapas. Sartani for the lead. Labang na uli ang Kaiser. 68-66. Taripin na, 15 seconds. Taripin na wala! Taripin! Over the foul! Two free throws para kay Taripin. Tatabla ba ulit? Sabay tuloy. Second throw. Time out! 68-67. Umabray ng Kaiser ng isang puntos. Now, Daganta drives. Daganta, walang defense kay Bundon. Pero bola, mananatili pa rin. First Daganta. To RJ. Oh, nice time! Sartani, please na chopper! Rodriguez comes the rebound. Pass pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez! Nice opening! Grabe naman yun. Tipire. 69-68. 3 minutes. 48. RJ Gabinete now. Crossover. RJ Gabinete. There's a foul. Jersey number 11. Bonbon. Third team foul. Bonbon yan. Blase. Looking. 10 seconds. Sa clock nila. Inside. RJ, 10 seconds. One move. Kabinete. No. Bonbon grabs the rebound. Sabi si Bonbon tumalon. Rodriguez forward pass to Taripe. 2-on-1 situation. Taripe lilipan. Gets the basket. May kasama pa foul. Foul goes number 45. Grabe naman yan. Adjusting in mid there. Nilipat sa kaliwa. 2 minutes, 21 seconds. Lamang uli na tatlo. Tatlo lamang. Naripe. Hindi. Back to 4-point lead. 72-68. 3-20. Cross-court pass. 3 down. Proper rebound to the snow. Don't down with the rebound. Rodriguez is gone. Walang depensa doon. Nakatulog sa pansitan. The lead is up to 6. 74-68. 3 minutes. RJ, Gabinete na awang tamo against Rodriguez. Space stand. Nasargo lang pinto. Rodriguez, grabe naman ang power mo. Bonbon for the rebound. Bonbon to Taripe. Bonbon si Taripe. Treno si Treno. To Bonbon. Bonbon. Catch away. It's a 6-0 run. Para sa SGP, lumupo na sa 8 naman. 76-68. 2 minutes and 41. Here's the Daganta now. Sartani. Inside to RJ. Oh, nagdepensa ka naman siya ng Rodriguez doon. 2 minutes and 36. Daganta. Shot na 15. Klase. Against Rodriguez. Klase. Nasa-admit siya doon. It's a first shot. Crystal crossover. Double crossover. Got the rebound foul. May foul doon. Kay Jared Trinidad. So the important final quarter. Shot clock 12. 10. 8. 5. Ay, ganda pa! Napaganda pa yan! Rodriguez, wala naman depensa doon! Last 2 minutes! Ay, hindi pa magawin! Ay, depensa na nga sila doon! Taripe gets away! Alam lang gagawin nila, Santosena lang naman. Nawala na ang momentum ng Kaiser Trinidad. seconds. Siya man na lang. 80-71. 134, 15 seconds. Shot clock. Rodriguez. Shot clock down to 10. Down to 8. Down to 5. Napaw pa, 1 seconds na lang sa shot clock. Penalty na penalty. 4 foul. Gaganda. Paubos na sana ang shot clock doon. Penalty na yan. Bon. Balog-balog, lumabas. Mukhang makakabawi ang SGP sa Kaiser. Talo sila sa finals eh. Bon. Second row. 1 minute 17. Balik ulit ang lamang sa 10. 81-71. Naganda, 1 minute and 15. Humingi naman si RJ ko, pero alam na talaga na Rodriguez yung gagawin. Maraming depensa ng Rodriguez, hindi ka binete. Malamayabas. Salute to Rodriguez. 1 minute. Nagkanta. Ipangsirin. Nagkanta. Downtown. Babawali ang naman sa Sean. Foul, 53 seconds. Two free throw, Malabayabas. Yes. $74-84. Naguli na naman sa 10. Yes. 85-74, 53 seconds. 74-85. Kaganta now. Back to back three. No. Pinrag sa bunbun naman. Rodriguez. Rebound. Tutaripe. 40 seconds. Meron pinagawa pa na puwang. Pull-up jumper. No. Foul doon. Rodriguez. Paul Sardani. SJP. Smell it for the win. Mga kamay panalo na. 33 seconds. Rodriguez. Basta Rodriguez. Ang supply. Hey, God, no!